This episode of the Good Living Now podcast is sponsored by our friends at Kuvings. Now, I've tried many cold pressed juices over the years, but the Kuvings Auto10 has truly simplified my routine. Now, my personal experience is that it's simple to operate and quick to clean. Now, with the Auto10, I can make everything from nice cream to morning smoothies to sorbets, and I can even make plant-based milk. Now, if you'd like to give it a try, use my affiliate code JUICEGUY at checkout to save 10% on Kuvings. All right, go ahead, grab your fresh produce and get your juice on. So today we're making everybody's favorite. We're doing tacos, but you know, we got to do it raw vegan style. Now, I know you're thinking, this ain't tacos. Yes, it is. That's what we're making. So we're going to use romaine lettuce as our shell, all healthy. Then we're going to use walnuts and mushrooms as our meat. And then we top it off with some pico de gallo. And these are all the seasonings that we're going to add to our walnuts and mushroom. And we got that good old coconut aminos, and that's going to give it that meaty taste. We got this Mexican fiesta seasoning. We got some chipotle and some onion powder. You know, onion powder goes with everything. And so all you need is a small little food processor to process the walnuts and the mushrooms. So we're going to add our walnuts, and you can actually soak. Then we got our mushrooms, and we're going to add our seasonings to get that flavor going. Chipotle chili powder, some Mexican seasoning that has cumin in it, as well as tomatoes and chili. And this coconut aminos is actually going to make it taste meaty. So add. Now we're just going to blend it all up. Look, it's already smelling like tacos now in here. And that looks like what we used to eat, ground beef, just all messed up. All right, so I'm going to put our tacos in our little tacos trays. I think I got these from Amazon. So you just put your romaine lettuce inside, and it makes it easy when you are adding all your ingredients. Going to add your walnut meat. All right, then we're going to add some pico de gallo. Look at all that. Don't that look like a taco? Mm-hmm. All that goodness. Mm-hmm. It smells just like a taco. Look. This meal, it only took me 5 minutes to make, and it's so delicious. If you like tacos, I think you're gonna like this. And guess what? You can even warm up the meat. You can warm up the walnut meat, put it in this little skillet, put a little oil, and you got a hot meal. But I like it raw.